Welcome, dear one. Thank you for choosing to be here with yourself tonight, exactly as you are. With every tender place, every hidden scar, and every part that still carries the quiet memory of breaking. Come gently into this moment. Find a position where your body can rest and feel supported. Let your hands rest softly, perhaps with palms turned upward in a small, quiet gesture of openness. There is nothing you need to fix right now. There is nowhere else you need to be. You are safe to arrive fully, just as you are. Take a slow, nourishing breath in. And as you exhale, allow your shoulders to soften and drop. Let your jaw release its hold. Let the tiny muscles around your eyes grow heavy and calm. With each breath, feel yourself sinking a little deeper into the support beneath you. You are held. You are safe. Tonight we turn towards something deeply honest and tender. We speak of the places inside you that feel broken. The moments that left shards on the floor. The old hurts that still echo in the quiet hours. The parts of your story you sometimes wish had never happened. We will not rush past these places with pretty words. We will not pretend the pain was not real. Instead, we will honor them with the ancient, compassionate wisdom of Kintsugi, the sacred Japanese art of repairing what has been broken with gold. In this practice, the cracks are not hidden or erased. They are traced with light, highlighted with beauty, and made part of something even more precious than before. Close your eyes gently, or soften your gaze. and begin to imagine yourself as a beautiful vessel. Shaped by time, touched by seasons, carrying the marks of every fall, every storm, every impact that once threatened to end you. Let your awareness move softly over the surface of this vessel. Notice the cracks now. Without judgment, without urgency to fix them. Some cracks are fine and delicate, like hairlines left by small disappointments. Some are deeper, more jagged, carrying the memory of moments that shattered you. Some still ache when the light touches them. Breathe into these places gently. It is okay that they are there. It is okay that it hurt. It is okay that you are no longer the same as you were before the breaking. These fractures do not make you damaged beyond repair. They do not make you unworthy. They are simply the places where life touched you most deeply. Where the vessel learned what it could endure. Now, feel a warm, luminous, golden light beginning to gather softly in the center of your chest. Gentle, kind, and full of quiet strength. This is the gold of your own compassion. This is the gold of your resilience. This is the gold of the love that has never left you, even through the hardest seasons. Watch as this golden light begins to move. Slowly, lovingly, with infinite patience. It does not rush toward the cracks. It simply flows where it is needed, tracing the lines of what happened with tenderness. Feel it reaching the first fracture. A place that still carries an old wound. The golden light does not cover or hide the crack. It fills it. It traces the line where the breaking happened. It honors the story. And as it settles, it binds the pieces back together with a warmth and beauty the original vessel never knew. With every slow, deep breath, the golden repair continues. It moves through the old childhood hurts. It flows into the places where you once felt unlovable or unseen. It reaches the moments you thought would break you forever. You are not fixing yourself to become perfect again. You are integrating your history. You are allowing every scar to become part of your greater, more luminous beauty. Let these gentle words settle into your heart like warm, golden light. My scars do not make me unworthy. They tell the story of what I have survived. I am allowed to be both broken and whole at the same time. The cracks are where the light now enters and shines through. I carry my gold with grace. Stay with this golden repair as long as your soul needs. Let the light move slowly through every fracture, every tender seam, every place that once felt shattered. Feel the warmth spreading. Softening sharp edges, turning pain into sacred strength, one shimmering line at a time. You are becoming a living piece of Kintsugi. More precious, more resilient, and more beautiful precisely because of the places that were once cracked open. You do not have to erase your history to be worthy of love. You do not have to pretend you were never hurt. Your scars are not flaws. They are sacred lines of light, showing where healing has taken place. Take all the time you need here, resting in this quiet truth. Let the golden seams grow stronger, warmer, and more luminous with every breath you take. When you feel ready, take a deeper, fuller breath and gently bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes softly. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the support holding you. Carry this soft, golden knowing with you into your day, into your rest, into whatever comes next. You are worthy of love exactly as you are. Cracks, scars, golden seams, and all. Thank you, dear one, for trusting this gentle repair work with me tonight. I am so grateful to have walked this sacred path beside you.